Right, so some days you have a good day, and some days you have a bad day. Sorry for the steering wheel. Woo!
Sometimes what I fail to do before I fly, I've noticed, is assessing the situation, perhaps. Making sure that I am aware of whatever dangers there may be for my flying. You know, people, of course, but I'm not really talking about people or animals. I'm talking about just general foliage that could get your drone stuck for a while until your brother comes and bails you out, which was very nice of him. Thank you, Rick. So yeah, it was a good day because I flew at a really great spot in my hometown, and it was fun, and the trees were huge, the gaps were big, the weather was nice, even though it's Vegas weather and it's 100, it says it's 100 degrees right now on my dashboard. So yeah, it was a good day, it was a bad day, it was all things in between, and I think that, I guess that is kind of what drone flying is all about, right?